Hi everybody, I'm Christian and this is Lazy Devs. And we're working on our Pico-8 Breakout hero thing on our Breakout clone. So there's some visual stuff that I want to go through, except from the dev logo. I thought maybe I'm going to invest this episode to actually get some of the visual stuff out of the way. There's two things we're going to do today. One is a celebratory sick. We want it to look awesome, because right now it's just blue and I don't think blue is that great. Blue is good for the upgrades because they're color coded, so we wanted people to learn that different colors are associated with different upgrades, so you don't, at some point you no longer read the text, it's just like, okay, it's that color that is the upgrade. But for the celebratory sick, for the text that shows up when you do a lot of points, we want this to maybe to flash or change color or something. I'm gonna think about this. Yeah, maybe just a random color, that would be kind of fun. And the second thing I want to do is the ball twist, which is maybe some kind of little visual effect, an audible effect, when you actually change the direction in which the ball is turning. I've been going through the sound effects because I was also thinking maybe of doing some kind of sound effect feedback, and I realized that we broke a sound effect. I haven't realized this. Look at this. So this is the sound effect number 3. That's kind of like the normal ball hits something. And then this sound effect number 4 doesn't have anything. And then this one has the one. So what's happening there? I don't know, man. So you can copy an entire sound effect and paste it in. I learned that from Gruber Music. You should visit Gruber Music, who did the beautiful music for this game. It's so good. So let me see real quick. Yeah. So let's tweak those. And they're of course the wrong instrument. Okay. Oh, I don't think this is the right. Wait. Oh, I tweaked the wrong one. This is a big problem now. There's a huge jump between the two. You see? Yeah, there's no movement here. So wait, so this is really weird. Okay, so this was supposed to be the first one. This is now the second one. And now this needs to go up. I think I copied in the wrong slot. Oops. Jesus. Ah. Okay. Oops. Ah, this is the wrong stage to test this out in. Oh, and okay. Yeah, okay. Seems to be working. Oh, by the way, there's some debug stuff that I still left in there from the update function. So let's just remove this, update game. Where we were debugging this part here. Okay, so now let us do the celebratory sick first, and then we can take care of the twist thing. So let's do. Yeah. Okay. So I was thinking maybe about the way we have the blink, right? I was thinking of doing these things as having like a colorful blink that is just blinking randomly. R seek. So this is going to be the rainbow blink. And the problem with rainbows is rainbows don't include all of the colors. That's something that's very important to keep in mind. So something like when people say like, oh, just gonna do some random colors. So you don't want to do random colors. You want to just basically just maybe do like these colors and this color. Like this, these are good colors. These are bad colors for a rainbow. You don't want these colors in your rainbow. You want just these colors in your rainbow. So let's go 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. So 9, 10. Yeah, let's make it 10, 11, 13. Shall we go 13 as well? Wait, 8, 9. Wait, 8 is not in there. 8, 9, 10, 11. Wait, 10, 9, 11, 12. Should we put those colors in there? I'm not sure. That doesn't seem like a very rainbowy color. Let's not. Let's just keep it to 12. And then my idea is we're gonna have similar like blink R, and that thing is gonna be the celebratory blink. Like this, right? So let us go to the juicy stuff and yeah, let's go with like here. So this is a bit of a problem because we maybe want to make it blink faster. And maybe we don't want to actually have the index. So we're not going to have the index. We don't want to remember which color in the sequence is, because for the rainbow, we want to just have a random color from this. So let's go blink R, blink R equals R sequence, and then the index of this times RND plus 1. No, actually, there we go. So we want to have the length of this. So our sequence hashtag our sequence. So the length of how many colors we have in our rainbow sequence, divided by RND plus 1. And then a floor of it. So we are only getting integer results. So this is my it's a bit of a cramped formula, but I don't want to like spell it out somewhere else. So this will just basically pick a random color from our array. And then when are we actually doing those celebratory things? Sick. Are we doing this here? Yeah, there it is. Show shash. Oh, but this is a bit of a problem, you see. So the 12 is the color, right? So here's the 12. So let's go -1 on the color. And when we're drawing this sash, because the problem is we cannot, the sash remembers the color, but you cannot give it like a random color, because then it will pick that random color, but the sash will keep that rainbow color as that random color that you picked as it's showing up. So let's say the random color is red, and then it will be a red sash all the way through. It won't change as long as the sash is there. So basically what I'm saying is I want to have like a special color that indicates that this sash is supposed to be colorful. It's supposed to change the color as it's is being drawn. So is it sash? Draw sash. Okay, that's what we're looking for. Draw sash. There it is. So we're gonna go if underscore C. If sash C equals -1, then else end underscore C equals R blank, right? It was R blank. This is getting very long. Blink R. I thought it was here. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Blink R, and then underscore C equals sash C. So if the sash has a normal legal color, we're just going to keep drawing the sash, the color that was set. But if the color of the sash is set to -1, which is not a color, then we're gonna make it flash in a rainbow fashion. Flash in a rainbow fashion underscore C. Is that working? Oh yeah. Also, let's go sick. Yeah, let's go if chain equals like 2. It was 6 before. Can you go like this? It's actually not showing at all. Oh, we're never boosting the chains. Okay, yeah, that's okay. Yeah, we're gonna keep it at like this, but we need to actually break through the bricks. We need to actually play the game. Oh, let's go like here. That's good. That's good. Yeah, boy. So sick. It would be nice if there was some kind of like fanfare, some kind of sound effect. Maybe we can steal something from the stuff that Gruber made. Yeah, maybe like here. Like this part. Or maybe like... Or this. Let's copy this part. And put it in its own sound. Yeah, and then make it faster now. Yeah, that's good. So this is sound 44. And SFX 44. Let's go to a different level where we can actually pull this off quicker. It's not increasing the boost chain anymore. That's good. Okay, so let's bring it back to 6. So this part is done. And I kind of like the way this flashes. I'm not gonna make it so it has like a custom flash frequency, the rainbow part, because I feel like this will, let me adjust the camera real quick a little bit, because I feel this will take, this will be one of those excursions again that we had when we did the speed lines, where we had to like add a lot of code that is chaos. Yeah, so this is good. So final thing is a ball twist. So again, maybe to reiterate, so I want to have a thing where the ball, where when you twist the ball, because that's kind of like a mechanic that we have. When we're moving the pad and the ball hits the pad while we're moving it, then the direction in which the ball is flying changes. And what I want to do is I want to add maybe some kind of like visual guide that let us know, oh, okay, yeah, this is now the thing that just happened. And I'm not sure how best to do this. So I was maybe thinking of, oh, there's a problem there. What is that? Uh-oh, we went over on the compressed size. No. We're gonna have to see if we can. So there's a problem here where this is the token count, how many tokens we have. This is how many characters we're using. And see, we just went over the compressed size. So we just have too much code in here. Because when we're publishing Pico-8, Pico-8 gets, the entire program gets saved in a PNG file. And that PNG file has a limited number of space, so the entire code is compressed, and but sometimes the code doesn't actually fit in there, and that's what we actually reached. So actually, we have to stop now. We can't do more. We have to actually undo some of the things because we okay. So I guess we're not doing the ball twist stuff. Oh man, that's a bit of a bumski. No. I'm not sure why this is, because I did some testing before and I never reached this again. I guess we just added a lot of code. Okay, we're gonna have to sit down and see if we can get rid of some of the compressed size problem. I know that, when we get rid of the playtesting tracking that we already have in here, then that will solve our issue. We could technically also get rid of this part, because I think this might have pushed us over the edge here. Because, if the less graphics you have, the less problems you have. So maybe that would be also a solution. Another solution would be also made to just make one of the power-ups and then just change the colors. That might be even a really good solution, because we have so much stuff in here, and that kind of like takes away the compressed size. I don't know. Kind of a bumski. Yeah, but another thing I want to do as well is now I actually want to play the game. So actually, I brought something with me. This is a controller here. I'm gonna actually attach the controller and start playing the game. And I want to see how long it takes for me to finish this game, and what kind of things I'm experiencing, what kind of problems I'm experiencing. We already have this problem where the ball gets stuck between the pad and the edge of the screen. So we want to be addressing this next. Alright, so I will be playing this game next, and we'll be back on the next episode, where I'm going to deliver you some results from, first of all, I wanted this part, the playtesting tracking, to actually work, because it doesn't really actually work right now, and also want to see some of the results of what I noticed when I played through the game, and maybe I will have some solution for the compressed size in here. See you next time around, guys. Bye bye!